He's got to stretch it. He's got to get ready for scary bears. Are you all set? Okay, Emmett. He's like, look, I can do both of these. That's exactly what he's doing. He knows what I'm asking, but a lot of times they'll do things that like take less energy. Things that look, aren't I doing this? I mean, we don't punish him for not doing what we say. We just, let him do what he needs to do. We just don't give him food, otherwise they confuse him. Okay, he's ready now. Stand up. Okay, you are stretched. Your muscles are loosened. That is good. That is a good stretch. Okay, so maybe I'll give you a piece of leather for that. That's great message that last one. I know he's like, hey, I got her trained. She did exactly what she said she wasn't going to do. Emmett, what are you doing? Alright, I'm not standing in the right spot. Is that what it is? No? Okay. Huh. Your back legs hurting? Emmett. It's like I'm doing everything else.
Digger's gonna come and do it.
Uh-oh. You hear that? You better stand up. Oh, man, Tigger.
Oh.
Uh-oh, say it's my show.
It's my show.
Yeah, will you get there? Okay, Vaughn's gonna go over and try to get Digger over. Alright, he's for sure not gonna do